Super delicious baby potatoes recipe. Prepared in air fryer. Tossed with sauce. Hope you would like this recipe. Take 500 grams pre-boiled baby potatoes. Prick with fork. Transfer into bowl. A half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. A half teaspoon crushed black pepper. Salt to taste. 1½ teaspoon corn flour. Mix well. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil. Mix well. Preheat air fryer. Grease with olive oil. Place in the basket. Set at 190 degrees C for 15 minutes. After 5 minutes, stop and apply olive oil. After each 5 minutes, stop and shake it. Last 3 minutes, set at 200 degrees C. This is ready, leave it aside. 1 tablespoon oil on high flame. 1 tablespoon chopped garlic. Sauté for a few seconds. One chopped onion. Sauté for 3 minutes. Add a 1/4 cup chopped spring onion. Sauté for 1 minute. 2 tablespoons schezwan sauce. 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. 1 teaspoon red chili sauce. Mix well for 1 minute. One teaspoon corn flour. Mix with water and make thin slurry. Mix well on medium flame for 1 minute. Salt to taste. Sauce is ready. Add air-fried potatoes. Cook at medium flame for 1 minute. Switch off the flame and add spring onion. Ready to serve. If you have not yet subscribed, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Hope you would love this delicious baby potatoes recipe.